Push again. Oh, goodness me. Now you can pick some chick up and go to a dance.
Press it again. Press this one again.
That's hilarious. How you doing?
Are you ready to roll, Monk?
No,
Roll.
It hasn't even got a battery
Press
in
the
it.
key and see what
Push
it
the
does.
key. Push it in. Push.
You gotta push it in. No, push the key in. Just
Push
push.
towards me.
Don't turn, push.
Do it again. Hit it again. Push. Push.
Push.
Hands off.
See all the lights? See all the lights
So,
blink?
Levi, what do you got in mind for batteries for this one?
So this has got two batteries in it.
CN battery.
But it's got two motors.
Yeah,
but
one on
how
each
come
wheel,
it's working?
eh?
It wasn't even hooked up.
There's batteries for the dash.
Oh, yeah, okay.
There's little.
Are you excited about your new car?
Three double
Okay.
A's for the dash stuff.
Yeah, that's probably about what your first new one will look like too.
Okay, push the pedal.
Oh, we should probably put them.
Go forward.
Go forward. Push the
Get out of the way. Watch out, guys.
Okay, press pedal.
Okay, go forward.
Okay, go.
We gotta clear them on here so we got space.
Babs. Turn the wheel, babe. Turn the wheel. Okay, Monk, on your 1, 2, 3, go! Turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Wow.
Oh, we gotta steer. You gotta remember to steer where you wanna go.
Put it back.
We should get him on the road.
It is, that's slow.
Luke, come here, this way. Luke, this way.
Go backwards, back up, buddy. There you go. That's right.
Hit this one. No, hit. Okay, now push it forward, love. Push it forward. Push the thing forward. This one. And let's go on the road. This way. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.